Ajigbodo, onwe ni kunra. Ajigbodo, onwe ni kunra. This proverb is used to caution people against following the trend. You know, when yam season comes, some people go to the farm to quickly harvest so that they can call them the best farmer. But they are harvesting immature yam. That yam is yet to be physiologically matured, but they want to show off in the community. Now, if other people join them later on, when the dry season comes, they won't have dry yam, which is better to eat and to sell. Ajigbodo, the one who eats immature yam, is actually looking for someone to copy him. Ajigbodo, onwe ni kunra. So children should be careful how they behave, who they copy, because some people are actually looking for someone else to bring down. This proverb is used to bring us to caution against misbehavior and being too hasty in life. Ajigbodo, onwe ni kunra.